I'm going to be using the book, The Ants Come for Lunch, from the Piney Pals Decodable Book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on Digraph CH. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully and tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Chips, lunch, inch. What sound did you hear that was the same in each one of those words? That's right, you heard the ch sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the ch sound. Grab your mirror, hold it up to your mouth, and I want you to make the ch sound. What was your mouth doing? What was happening? You're right. Your tongue was at the top right behind your teeth, and you held your breath for one little second, and then when you let it go, a quick burst of air came out, making the ch sound. Now this time, I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to see if you can feel a buzzing or vibration sound when you make the ch sound. Put your hand on your throat. Let's do it together. Here we go. Ch. Did you feel anything? Neither did I. So we know that ch is an unvoiced sound. And when we make the ch sound, our tongue is behind our top teeth. We hold our air for one little second and then we let it out. And when we do, there's a quick burst and it makes the ch sound and it's unvoiced. Nice job. Take your mirrors and put them up. Now, I want you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board. And I want you to look very carefully and tell me what two letters you see that are alike in each one of these words. Look closely because here I go. C-H-I-P-S. L-U-N-C-H. And finally, I-N-C-H. What two letters do you see that are alike in each one of these words? That's right. You see CH. Now, let's look closely at this word. Let's count how many letters are in this word. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 letters. But let's see how many sounds when we unblend it. Here we go. I, N, ch. How many sounds? 3 sounds. So that means that 2 letters are making 1 sound. What 2 letters do you think are making 1 sound? Oh, you're right. CH. When we have 2 letters that make 1 sound, we call that a digraph. So this is digraph CH. Today, we will spend our time looking very closely at digraph CH. Let's read these words. Chips, lunch, inch. When you have a chance to read The Ants Come for Lunch, you will get to read digraph CH. And you know that digraph CH makes the ch sound. When you make that sound, your tongue is right behind the top teeth. You hold your air for 1 second and then you let a quick burst come out. And when you do that, it makes the ch sound. And we know that it's unvoiced. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.